People older than 70, first responders, and teachers are expected to be next in line to get the vaccine here in Wisconsin. That is, if health officials adopt a state committee's recommendations. Also included in the next phase would be child care workers in direct contact with children. Madeline O'Neill tells us why this group says it will benefit everyone.
Well, when deciding which groups should get the vaccine next, that state committee looks into a few things, considering things like which groups are most at risk and which are necessary to keep our society up and running. In many ways, child care workers fit both of those criteria.
Child care workers really are essential workers.
From the beginning of the pandemic, child care workers have needed to show up to work.
They're essential to grocery store workers, to the healthcare professionals, to first responders, to teachers themselves.
It's been a long several months, taking on a necessary risk.
They've exposed themselves to the virus on multiple occasions.
Social distancing is very challenging. Infants and toddlers need to be held and rocked and cuddled.
Jen Bailey is executive director of Reach Dane, which provides early childhood services to underserved children.
And they have to have childcare, to be able to keep a roof over their heads.
She says making sure child care workers are prioritized for the vaccine is essential, and that's likely on the horizon.
This will just bring, I think, so much peace of mind and to be able to keep people safe.
KinderCare, which has 7 Madison area early education facilities, writes in a statement that they're encouraging all teachers and staff to get the vaccine as soon as possible.
This is a group of folks that has gone above and beyond during this time.
After a long, trying time, Jody Bartnick, executive director of 4C, a child care resource and referral agency, says vaccinations offer hope.
That's the important piece, is that they're recognized for the important work that they do.
Bailey says the pandemic reveals how essential their work has been all along.
We've really learned that our economy does not work without childcare workers. So I hope that this might be a wake-up call for us in some ways.
The state still hasn't finalized who will be in that next group, Tier 1B, but the state committee does have their recommendations, which includes child care workers, up for public comment. We have a link to that on our website.